This is the unboxing of Rodan & Field's Reverse Brightening Complex. It's a regimen for the appearance of skin dullness, discoloration, and uneven skin tone. If you look at the bottom, it goes over what products are within inside of this package. To open the package, you just simply pull back the flap at the top of the box. Inside is the products encased of the tissue paper. There's also instructions within inside of the package. Within this pamphlet is Dr. Rodan and Dr. Fields, as well as information of what this product can actually do, before and after pictures. To access the product, you have to unravel the tissue paper. Within inside the tissue paper are the products. Each of the products are labeled in steps. The first step is 1. Deep exfoliating wash. Number 2 is intensive brightening toner. Number 3, there's actually 2 products within inside of number 3. To access number 3, pull back the flap on the box, and inside are 2 tubes of ointments. One is retinol, the other is vitamin C complex. And the fourth, and probably one of the most important, is broadband spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. This is the unboxing of Rodan & Field's Reverse Brightening Complex. Let me know if you have any questions.